How to make Earth in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Earth plus wind, we have dust. Dust plus earth, we have planet. Right now, planet plus fire, we have sun. Sun plus fire, we have solar. Solar plus planet, let me see it. We have system. Double water, we have lake. Double lake, we have ocean. Okay, right now, earth plus water, we have plant, sorry. Plant plus lake, we have lily. Lily plus ocean, we have mermaid. Mermaid plus fire, we have siren. Siren plus system, we have operating system. Fire plus wind, we have smoke. Smoke plus water, we have fog. Fog plus planet, we have Venus. Venus plus fog, wait a second. We have love. We don't need any more operating system, so I will remove it. And right now, double love, and we have hurt. So that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos. Peace out.